Namaste children, welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to see 6th standard English Unit 1 first poem. Okay, do you remember children what is our first lesson? Yes, first lesson also related the reptiles. Okay, which reptiles did we see? Yeah, we have seen the turtle, tortoise. What kind of turtle did we see? Sea turtle. Do you remember children? Olive Ridley. Okay. Now, this poem we are going to see about crocodile. The title of the poem is The Crocodile. Okay. Title of the poem is The Crocodile. Do you like crocodile children? No. Maximum we won't like crocodile. Why? It is what unshaped and not unshaped. It looks ugly. As well as it's a man eater. Yes. Oh. Children, there are 23 kinds of crocodiles are there. Okay. How many kinds? 23. It can live in any water, not only sea water or pond or lake. It may live 80 to 100 years. And its night vision is very good children. It can see clearly at night time. It's a good swimmer also. And it's cold-blooded one. It will keep its children, it keeps younger one in its mouth to save. And it won't have sweating. But it may give tears. Okay. Then about the author, Lewis Carroll. Lewis Carroll was an English writer. His most famous book is Alice in Wonderland. This poem appears in it. Okay. From the book Alice in Wonderland, he took this part alone. Its period is 1832 to 1890. So Lewis Carroll is the pen name of the author. Then what is his real name? Charles Lickford Dulcer. It's the real name of Lewis Carroll. It won't give any important message, children. Just it's for fun. It's a humorous poem. Just to explain how the crocodile catches its prey. Yes, first line of the poem, children. In your book, page number 101. How does the little crocodile improve his shining tail and pour the water of the Nile on every golden scale? How cheerful he seems to grin, how neatly spread his scarf and welcomes little fishes in with gently smiling jaws. Yes, first two lines. How does the little crocodile improve his shining tail? How doth means word in English does. The meaning is does. The little crocodile improve his shining tail. Not here improve means not increase. It is shining its tail. Already its tail is so shiny. It increases its shining. How? Pour the water of the Nile. Nile is a river in Egypt, Africa. It's the longest river in the world. Okay. So, using now the crocodile, where is the crocodile? The crocodile is in Nile water. Okay. On pouring the water, the crocodile shining its tail. Okay. That's all. On every golden scale. Okay. On every golden scale means see the crocodile part, taste. Okay, it's boxes there. This is the scale. Okay. The scale means not using what we are using for dry margin. That is not. This is a cedil of the animal. Okay, cedil of the reptile. Okay, on every golden scale. on pouring the Nile water, it shining its tail. In the tail, every golden scale is shining due to sunlight. How cheerful he seems to grin. Cheerful, so happy he seems. Okay, it looks happy. It seems to, here he refers to crocodile children, seems to grin. Grin means just showing the teeth. So it is not a laughter, just kind of laughter. Okay. So how cheerful he seems to grin. So happy. How neatly spread his scars. How neatly spread his scars. Scars means toes. Okay, it spread his toes neatly. And welcomes little fishes in with gently smiling jaws. So it spread its scars and welcome little fishes in. Where? With gently smiling jaws. That means it opened its jaws. Here this is a jaw. Jaw means what? Tadi. Tadai. They are saying no, tadai. That is with gently smiling jaws. Children, crocodiles upper part only. Crocodile can shake its upper part only. Upper part of the jaws only. Not the lower one. As well as crocodile can't chew the food. It simply swallow the food. After that only it can, all the process will happen in its stomach. So what the crocodile is doing, the crocodile opened its both jaws. A lower jaw is under the water. It opened the upper jaw. So all the little fishes, it allowed to all the little fishes go into the crocodile's mouth. Then it will eat the fishes. Okay, so here how cheerful he seems to grin. It's very happy and it neatly spread its calf and welcomes all little fishes inside its jaws. Did you understand? It's a small poem, students, very easy one. The crocodile shining its tail and pouring the Nile water. Okay, after, because of sunlight, the tail looks so shiny and its every scale also so shiny and it's so happy. It's happily swimming. It opened its jaws. Why? To welcome the fishes. That means want to eat the fishes. That's all. See the glossary. They are giving meaning. Doth. Doth means does. Improve. Improve means to become better than before. Cheerful. Cheerful means so happy. Gently, softly, mildly. Here do you know? The Madras Crocodile Bank is one of the largest reptile zoos in the world. It is a shelter for native wildlife and a secure nesting beach for all its Ridley turtles. It is located at East Coast Road, Kovalam in Chennai. Question answers. They are asking rhyming words. Okay, before that we can see rhyming words in the poem. Here, for rhyming word, we want to see a sentence last word. How we can find the rhyming words? Its pronunciation want to come and it's the same. Want to pronounce a word in the same rhyme. Okay, crocodile, nail. Okay, see, crocodile, nail, tail, scale. Like a same pronunciation. Grin, in. It ends with same sound, maybe sound. Cars, jazz. Okay. Here you want to match children, that is your work. Okay, you can write, but you should use what already I told. Pencil. Good. And question answer. First question. This appreciation question. They will give poetic line. From the poetic line, they will ask question. If we understand the poetic line, if we understand the poem, we can write easily these questions. Who does he refer to? A toad. He refers to the crocodile. And pour the water of the Nile. What's the Nile? Nile is a river. In which country? Africa, Egypt. And welcomes little fishes in with gently smiling jaws. Who welcomes the fishes, children? Correct. The crocodile welcomes the little fishes. Why? Because it is hungry. It wants to eat. Which line tells you that the crocodile is hungry? These two lines. Welcome the little fishes in with gently smiling jaws. Okay, welcome the little fishes in. That is. And question answer. What's the poem about? Poem is about crocodile. How does the crocodile's tail look? Shiny. What does improve his tail mean? He won't improve his shininess on pouring water. How does he spread his cause? Cause spreads it neatly. Why does he welcome little fishes? He is hungry to eat. Which line talks about the crocodile's mouth and its shape? Crocodile's mouth welcomes little fishes in with greatly smiling jaws. Okay, so children, once again you read this poem, you can understand the poem easily. Daily you should read a page, children. Then you want to write a page, then only your vocabulary and your handwriting will improve. Don't waste your time. Thank you, children. I think you all understand this poem. Happy learning. Thank you.